Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bori, for those of you who are new here. I really hope that you all are doing well despite the fact that we are in quarantine because of COVID-19. I know it can be hard and challenging period for basically all of us. That's why I really wanted to make this video, because I know in many places, including here in Spain, it's really hard to find face masks. That's why I really thought it's gonna be a good idea to show you how you can make your own face mask in not more than 3-4 minutes using just materials that you have in your own house, like fabric or t-shirt and scissors. That is all that you need. You don't need sewing skills, you don't need a sewing machine, you just need fabric and scissors. And I was asking myself if actually this face mask can protect you 100%, and the answer is no. But according to the Center of Disease Prevention and Control, they definitely recommend, if you cannot buy yourself a medical mask, it's way better to have like fabric mask. It's way better than nothing, because this is extra protection for you, especially when you go out. And if you combine it with washing your hands and keep a distance, that definitely can help a lot. So without further ado, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, so for the first mask we're going to need a piece of fabric and 2 elastic bands. You can use a bandana if you have one as well, but since I don't have one, I cut out this piece of fabric from an old pillowcase. You can do the same if you want. And in the center I decided to put a filter that I made from a dried wet wipe, but this is totally optional. And then I'm gonna fold 1/3 of the fabric to the center, and then I'm gonna fold the other as well, and you're gonna have in total 3 layers for your mask. And the next step is to take the 2 elastic bands and just put them on each side, approximately 1/3 of the strip. And when you put the 2 elastic on the strip, you're gonna have something looking like a candy. In my opinion, it looks like a candy. And then I'm gonna take both sides and I'm gonna put them in the center like this. And I decided to tuck in one side into the other, so it will be way more comfortable when you put it on your face. And there you go, just in 2-3 minutes you have your mask. You can totally wash it out in the washing machine for total disinfection, and it will be ready to go when you need to go out. So you can adjust it to your face. That's the best part. It's very comfortable to wear, and I think it looks great. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? So there you go, now you have your mask. So for this mask you're going to need an old t-shirt or a tank top, whatever you have at home, and apparently a cat. I'm sorry for my cat, but she just wouldn't go away. And I'm gonna use the longest part of the top, so I have longer strip. And I'm gonna put here the approximate measurements that I used for this one. And please excuse my cat, but she just had to be in the video, as you can see. So I had no choice but to left her there. And then you have to cut out 2 thin strips that will serve as elastics, and here are the measurements as well. Now when we have the strip, we can put a filter in the middle. Again, this is totally optional, you don't have to use a filter if you don't want to. And on the both sides I'm putting the elastic strips. Then we have to fold the both sides to the center. Again, this technique is very similar to the first one, but a little bit different at the same time. And then I'm gonna tuck the both sides in the middle to be way more comfortable when you apply it to the face. And then I will take the thin strip and I'm just gonna make a knot, so it will be like elastic. And I'm doing the same to the both sides. And as you can see, this mask also was super easy to do. It took me approximately like 4 or 5 minutes to do it. And there you go, now you have your mask. This one is also very easy to apply. Again, you can put it in a washing machine for disinfection and use it when you have to go in public places. And I really hope you liked this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know if you did the mask, if you like this method, what do you think about it. Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share it with people that you think that can get benefit from it and can make their own masks. And please stay safe and see you in my next video. Bye!